How to fix Zangi contact sync issue. Okay, let's tackle that annoying Zangi contact sync issue. Ever open a Zangi and not see all the friends there, even though they use it? It's usually a simple permission problem. The first thing to check, did you give Zangi permission to access your contact? This is the number one reason for the sync issues. Go into your phone settings, then find the Zangi app and look for the permission. And I do have the shortcut for this one. For that, what you can do is simply tap on your Zangi app, and that will provide you an option called App Info. Tap on it, and that will take you to the app info section. Now here you can see permission on the screen. Simply tap on it, and under permission you will see allowed and not allowed permission. So you can see I have allowed my contacts on the Zangi. So check this out. Sometimes during installation you skip the pop-up, so that may be the reason that you are not able to sync the contact. Done that? Great. If the permissions are set correctly, try this. Inside the Zangi itself, there are usually a way to force a sync or refresh contact. Look for something called setting or the contacts. Done that? Great. But if that doesn't work, sometimes logging out of the Zangi and logging back in can restart the sync process. Just make sure you know your login details first. One last quick check, is the internet connection stable? A secure Wi-Fi or mobile data connection can sometimes mess with the sync. Usually one of these does the trick. So that's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.